So what are you waiting for? Get your camera, get your microphone if you have one, get your light, find a place, and make a video, upload it to YouTube, and grow your channel. You know, there's one thing that YouTube really likes, and if you work on implementing it into your YouTube channel, you may just see some progress. So why is it important to be consistent on YouTube? Well, if you follow along with any of the creators' videos that talk about building a YouTube channel, you understand that they do talk about YouTube having an algorithm. And for lack of better words, it's a learning computer. So being consistent on YouTube and posting videos and posting shorts on a regular basis helps that algorithm to learn about you and your channel and what kind of content you make and the reaction from the people that may be watching your content. So consistency is very important. Now, I'm not saying you need to post every single day or multiple times a day. Once a week, that's 4 videos a month. If you can't do that, once every 2 weeks. Okay, that's at least 2 videos a month, 24 a year. You know, as much as we'd all like for it to really exist, there's not a whole lot of one and done video creators on YouTube that can create one video, go viral, make lots of money, and they don't ever have to worry about it again. So you may be asking yourself, well, is there a set number of videos that I have to make for this algorithm to take a hold of me and help me become more popular and make my channel blow up? No, there's not. A lot of it's going to depend on your content, what you create. If people want to watch that, is it worth watching? Would you watch it? That's important. There's no set amount of videos that you have to make for YouTube to help you out. But you have to stay consistent. Now think about your favorite television program. If it came on one time, would you remember it after that? Would you go back and check on it weekly? What if it never came back on again? That'd be kind of disappointing. And that's what happens with YouTube. People come in, they make one video, somebody likes it, they jump on the bandwagon, they become a subscriber, and they don't ever come back. And well, YouTube's at a loss. They don't know what to do. They don't know what to do with your videos. So you have to stay consistent and constantly make new videos. So when we're talking about consistency, does your location have to be constantly consistent? No, I don't think so. If you notice, I'm out in the park making a video today. Nobody's around. Me and this dinosaur here are making a video for you. And you may see a lot of content creators that have a studio with a really nice backdrop and the lights and everything else, but not everybody's set up for that. Sometimes you just have to use what you've got, and Mother Nature makes one of the nicest backgrounds I've ever seen. So no, your background doesn't have to be consistent. You can change it up, you can move around, you can go out by the water, go to the park, you can be wherever you want to be and make a video. But you got to make a video, because if you're not making videos, nobody's watching your videos and you're never going to grow. Okay, so I know that right now one of the questions in your head is, how do I become consistent? Well, that's completely up to you. You have to make the decision on how many videos that you want to make, how often you want to make them, how often you want to post them, what you want to do with your channel. Deciding what you want to do with your channel will help you figure out how many videos you need to make to be consistent. But you got to show up. That's the most important thing with creating a YouTube channel. You have to show up. If you don't show up, you don't have a channel. It's just like a job. If you didn't show up for your job, after a couple of times, you don't have a job anymore. So you have to show up. You have to make the videos. You have to put them out there. And you have to continue to learn by watching other creators out there who can help you grow. There are people out there that's their whole mission. They want to help you grow. That's kind of what my mission is. I want to help you grow. Now, I am by no means an expert. My channel right now has 65 subscribers. About 3 months ago, when I was making a lot of videos, it was at like 32. I've recently got back into making more videos because I have more time on my hands, and I want to see my channel grow. I want to make something of this. Otherwise, I'm just wasting my time. So you have to make those videos, be consistent, show up. That's the most important thing. You got to show up. So what are you waiting for? Get your camera, get your microphone if you have one, get your light, find a place, and make a video, upload it to YouTube, and grow your channel. Guys, I really appreciate you joining me for the video today. There will be more coming. Make sure you like and subscribe. Ring the little bell so you know when a new video comes out. My goal here is to help you. And for me to help you, once again, you got to show up. So watch my videos. Maybe they'll help you. Maybe I can point you to some other creators who can help you figure out what you want to do with your channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.